people have been having issue working on it. So right now, let's just go straight to the point. Right now, this is the steps which I have here. So I already have the, you can see I already have the first link open. I've already claimed Goerli, that's ETH, or testnet ETH already claimed. I already have it claimed in the wallet I used, which is here. We'll show you the wallet. What's wrong? I think this is the browser that is slowing everything down. So as you can see, this should be the wallet, GoerliETH wallet. You can see this is the wallet. So I've already claimed the Goerli right now. So the first step, as you can see here, is to get Goerli from Ethereum Faucet site, which is this, which I've gotten. So you go to Mitter link, which is their Mitter page. That's for HAVAH Mitter, and where you bridge your ETH to HAVAH chain. So that, which is this site. So that means you bridge ETH to HAVAH this time. You know, earlier, as in, I think mission 4 or 5, we bridged HAVAH to Ethereum. So this time around is the other way around. So now you click connect to MetaMask, because I'm using MetaMask. So it will pop up for me to authenticate or approve transaction. So once it pop up, I'll approve the transaction using the same wallet I'm using. Yeah, the same wallet, which is this wallet. Then you connect. You can see the wallet is connected now. Now click this. I need to bridge to HAVAH. Yeah, this is HAVAH. So now you now impute the amount you are moving. Sorry, you come here, Ethereum. Once you say max, okay, you have 0. So you select the token. Sorry, you're bridging ETH, not HAVAH. So I'll just be using 0. I want to use an amount that is visible, 0.008. Let me use 0.08. I'm using 0.08. Once you use 0.08, you're bridging to HAVAH. Then you connect the HAVAH wallet as well. Wallet connected successfully. You can see it here. So you go for the next thing to do. Now you want to bridge it. So you are sending we are sending 0.08 ETH to HAVAH network. So now I need to approve transaction. So now we need to confirm the transaction. Need to hold on for it to bridge. Sometimes bridging takes long time, depends on the chain. It depends on the chain. But as you can see, this one is moving a bit faster. So it's actually moving. So it shares, you see, we are already on 5, which is complete. To view on Explorer, it's actually still pending. It said pending 10 minutes. It might not actually be up to 10 minutes, but let's just hold on a bit. So as you all can see now, though it actually lasted for 10 minutes, so I had to pause the video for 10 minutes. So that's that. So the next thing to do after bridging is, you can see the bridging process may take more than 10 minutes to complete. So now the next thing is to swap the okay, they said the bridging process may take more than 10 minutes, and message will show if it's this and that story. So now it said that swap what is it called, ttETH HVH through HAVAH Swap. So now we need to go to HAVAH Swap, copy the link, copy link address, then I'll go to HAVAH Swap. So go to HAVAH Swap. Go to HAVAH Swap right now. So here is HAVAH Swap. Then we need to connect the same wallet. You connect the same wallet you are using to HAVAH Swap. So we click on I trust, this and that, connect. So you can see it's now connected. You can see I have HAVAH, I have 17 HAVAH. What were we asked to do? Bridge the HVH to, okay, no, swap the ttETH to for HVH through HAVAH Swap. So now, as you can see, what we have, we'll check, I will go to the page. You can see here we have 0.0. That's the amount of ETH I bridged to this place. So now I'll bridge this same amount. Let me bridge 50% of what I have, because as you can see in the instruction, it is hold. So as you can see, they said swap ttETH for HVH through HAVAH Swap. So now we are swapping. I'll just be swapping 50%. They didn't really indicate the amount. They said the amount you bridge must be at least 10 HVH. So now let's check. You can see this half of itself is even more than 10. So I'll just use 20%. So once I use 20% of what I have, 25% rather, it will be around 269. So let's use this. Let's swap and see what happens. Disclaimer, okay, okay, understand, confirm, approve transaction, approve. So it's taking me to my wallet. Then I'll need to authorize. Then that's allow. Click on allow. It's authorizing. I'll click confirm. Okay. Click confirm once again. Then allow. You can see transaction succeed. So that means the swap has happened as well. You can see the balance. You can see what the balance of HVH I have here now. So now the next thing we need to do, I'll take us to the same write-up. So bridge the HVH to the Ethereum chain using HAVAH Mitter once again. So now we'll now bridge from HVH to Ethereum this time. So here I'll go back to the meter, which is this, and I'll come back to this particular side. So yeah, you can see now. So now we are moving from HVH, because the first step we did, we moved from Ethereum to HAVAH. But this time around, it will be from HAVAH to Ethereum. So here we'll say connect, connect. So we'll just connect. We are swapping HAVAH because we already have HAVAH, which we got from ttETH. So now we are swapping HAVAH. What amount are we swapping? Let me swap 100. I think 100. 100. Swap 100 into ETH. Connect wallets. The same MetaMask. Now we need to approve transaction on MetaMask. Now click on approve. Click connect. So now you click on next. Then you click on send. This might also take another 10 minutes probably, but let's just watch and see. Let's watch and see. So click on allow. So after this particular video, I'll also make a video on how to run what's it called. There's this particular testnet that we've been working on as well, which has been given slight headaches too. So you can see it's pending. It's pending. So the particular airdrop, okay, this one is actually faster. It's done from this end, so remaining the other one. It's actually called scroll testnet. We've done the testnet earlier, so I didn't really make a video on that. We've done it earlier this month, so I'll be making another. They actually wiped their wallet, so everyone needs to start from beginning once again. So if you're yet to do it, so this is an opportunity for you to go again, and I'll show you all the steps you need to do, including registering for their whitelist. So just watch out for my next video after this. So that's that. You can see we are done with this. So as you can see, after this, they said the amount you bridge must be at least 10 HVH. I didn't really read the instruction, but I actually bridged 100. So I've meet up with the minimum requirement. The bridging process may take more than this to complete, though it did not even take a minute. Okay, actually it might take more than a minute, but not up to 10 minutes. So that's all you need to do for the sixth testnet. So thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. Just watch out for more of my videos, and please and please and please, just by just click the like, share with your friends and family, just a way of showing appreciation. That's just all I need from you guys. Please and please and please, thank you very much. I'll be doing the next video on scroll once I'm able to charge up my battery. You can see my watch is kind of down. We'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.